In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an e-commerce website on GoDaddy step by step. If you've been wanting to start selling products online but felt overwhelmed by the technical side of things, don't worry. GoDaddy makes the process incredibly simple, and by the end of this video, you'll have your online store ready to go. Make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your GoDaddy account. Head over to GoDaddy.com and click the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then log in. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly create one. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select My Products. This is where you'll see all the services and products connected to your GoDaddy account. Now, under Websites or Website Builder, click on Set up a free website. GoDaddy offers a free trial for their website builder, which is perfect for setting up your e-commerce store before committing to a paid plan. As soon as you click that option, GoDaddy will start asking you a few setup questions. First, it will ask about the features you want on your website. Since we're creating an e-commerce store, make sure you select Sell with an Online Store. This is very important because it enables product listings, a shopping cart, and payment options. After selecting that, click Continue. Next, GoDaddy will ask what kind of business you have. You can choose from categories like clothing store, electronics, health and beauty, or many others. Pick the category that best fits your business. For this example, let's say we're creating a clothing store. Select your category and click Continue. Now you'll be asked to enter your business name. This will appear on your website, so type in the name you want customers to see. For example, you could enter something like Thrift Styles or Urban Trend Store. After entering your business name, click Continue. The next step is to enter your contact details. This typically includes your business email, phone number, and address. These details help customers reach you and also build trust with your audience. Fill in the required information and click Continue. After that, GoDaddy may ask you to add some context about your business. This can include a short description of what you sell, your brand style, or your business goals. Try to write a clear and simple description, such as "We sell affordable and stylish thrift clothing for everyday wear." This helps GoDaddy generate a more personalized website layout for you. Once you've completed these steps, click Next. And just like that, your website will be automatically generated. Within seconds, GoDaddy will create a ready-made e-commerce website template based on your answers. Now comes the fun part, customizing your store. You can edit text, change images, update colors, and adjust layouts to match your brand. To add products, look for the Products or Store section in the Website Builder dashboard. Click Add Product, upload product images, enter descriptions, set prices, and configure shipping options. Make sure you also set up your payment methods. Go to the Settings section and connect payment options like credit cards, PayPal, or other available gateways. This step is crucial so customers can actually purchase from your store. Before going live, always preview your website. Use the preview option to see how your store looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Double-check your product details, pricing, and contact information. Once you're happy with everything, click Publish. Your e-commerce website is now live and ready to start accepting orders. And that's it. You've successfully created an e-commerce website on GoDaddy. As you grow, you can upgrade your plan, connect a custom domain, and expand your product catalog. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and e-commerce tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.